There's been an Anglican church of Woodland 50 years. They managed to have Sunday service every Sunday through 2 world wars until now, until COVID-19 shut the doors from the church. But every Sunday morning at noon, one parishioner, Yvonne Tate, comes back to the church, opens it up, climbs in the bell tower, and plays "O Canada" on the carillon. It's been so popular that the neighbors have been emailing the church to say how much they appreciate this music, these bells that are bringing such comfort to them. I've been talking to priests and other church officials around the city, and I'm hearing that people are turning to faith in droves during these difficult times. People are seeking out spiritual comfort in these terrible times of pandemic. You can read my story and what faith means to people in these times of trouble in the Toronto Sun at thetorontosun.com and in today's newspaper. I'm Christina Blizzard for the Toronto Sun.